Everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to create a hyperlink within the same Word document. So if you don't want to use any reference manager like Jotaro, Mendeley and all, but you just want to click hyperlinks within the same document. So this is a quick tutorial to show how to do that. So for first, go to your bibliography or place where you have your references, and then click on the start of this first reference, and then go to just click here, go to insert, and then find a bookmark. In the bookmark, just add this one, bookmark 1. So you add the one, close it. Similarly, go to 2 and add bookmark. So type 2, add, and then once you have added these bookmarks, then go to the actual reference. So for example, I go here, and then say link. Within link you have two options, web page or file. This is for external linkage. If you want to do this within the same document, that's what we are trying here. So then go to the bookmarks, and then your bookmarks will appear here. So say one, link this one bookmark to here, to this, the first reference to this bookmark. Okay, link the second bookmark to link 2. Say okay, and now your bookmarks are ready. If you just click on here, it will change the color, and if you just click on here, it just takes you there. So in this way you can quickly create reference hyperlinks within the same text.